Hey guys, good morning. It is currently Friday morning at 6 a.m. and we just got up and we are all packed up and we are gonna start our shopping trip. So last night we left town at 5 o'clock, which you saw, and we headed to Bangor. So for the first hour, first hour and a half, 2 hours, I watched a movie. And then after that, I took a nap for an hour and a half. And then after that, we went to a rest stop and walked around for a little bit and then got back in the car. And then I slept again. And then after that, I watched another movie and then we got here. So it was actually a super quick drive. It was about six and a half hours, but it passed so quickly. So that part was really good. I did not get motion sick, which is also good because I took to Gravol before I went. But yeah, so we got to the hotel and we're staying at the Hollywood Casino in Bangor, and it's super nice. We've never stayed here before. The beds are super comfortable. The pillows were awesome. Everything is like really clean and really nice. So yeah, we're staying here, just 2 queen beds. Bathroom's just standard. But look at our view. We didn't notice we were on the water until we woke up this morning and the sun came in our room. But yeah, it's a beautiful little, I don't know if that's like a river or what, but it's really pretty. And off in the distance you can see like churches and stuff. But yeah, so game plan for today, we're gonna go to get breakfast at Denny's, and then after that we are driving down to New Hampshire and we're gonna start shopping there because it's tax-free. So we're gonna go to Portsmouth, New Hampshire. That's where we're gonna do like Target, Trader Joe's. We're gonna go to the mall. We're going to go to, I think it's called Home Goods in the United States. We have HOMESENSE in Canada. So we're gonna go to Home Goods and then we're gonna go to TJ Maxx. No, Home Goods, that's Hannaford, that's a grocery store. Home Goods is like our HOMESENSE. Yeah. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go today. I have my list all done. I have my Netflix shows that are American downloaded, so I can watch those on the way down. There's not too much that's different now, but I remember a few years ago when we used to come down here, a lot of the shows used to be different. Anyway, so I have those downloaded on my iPad. It's, I think, 2.5 to 3 hours on the way drive down, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna shop our way back up. So we're gonna do Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and Kittery, Maine, and then we're gonna rest tonight in Bedford, Maine, which is about 20-30 minutes from Portsmouth, or no, 20-30 minutes from Kittery. So we're gonna kind of like shop our way up. I made an itinerary, which I'll show you after, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I slept not great last night, so I'm hoping to sleep better today in the car. So I'm gonna take Gravol. Okay, I will check in with you later. So I just finished lunch at Chipotle. It was really good. And then we just went to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna do a little Trader Joe's haul. So we got these milk chocolate peanut butter cups, these small little cups. Apparently they're good. I don't like peanut butter, so I didn't have one. I got organic watermelon jerky. I want to try that. We got cookie butter spread. I think this will be interesting to try. we got Green Goddess seasoning blend because we're traveling over the border. We can't take dairy with us, so you just mix this in with buttermilk, mayo, sour cream, Dijon mustard, and a little bit of this, and it should be good.
That's not the rules, Lydia.
What's not the rules?
It has nothing to do with dairy.
Oh, you can't bring dairy across? No, you can? Okay. And then Thai-style red curry sauce. And then we also got an everything but the bagel cream cheese spread, but that's in the cooler in the back. But maybe I'll do a little taste test of this watermelon jerky and see what it tastes like. I've seen in vlogs that people got like multiple bags, but I decided just to get one bag to try it out. So, Claire, do you want to do a taste test with me?
No, thank you.
Okay. It's not that good. There's legit watermelon seeds in it. Anybody else want to try it?
No thanks.
Okay. Yeah, it's not that good. I'd rate it a 2 out of 10. Alright, we're going to HOMESENSE. Hey guys, so I just got back from my trip to Maine in New Hampshire. We went shopping for 4 days and we just got back last night. So I thought what I would do is I would do a vlog of, because I didn't get a ton of footage like vlog footage when I was away. I thought I would do like a little vlog of like unpacking everything and organizing it, and I'm going to kind of like bring you along with me as I like do like a vacation reset kind of thing, because I didn't get a ton of vlog footage. I was just like so busy when I was down there, and we were like trying to get in as many stores as we could, and also it was so hot. Like it was like I don't know, like 36 degrees when we were down there. It was so warm, and we were just busy. My feet were sore, and we just like tried to do as much as we could while we were there. And yeah, so it was overall it was a really good trip. Things have changed so much down there. I couldn't believe it. Like stores were so much less busy. There was like stock like everywhere. There wasn't a lot of people working like in the stores. Like they're definitely having like a staff shortage down there. The deals weren't as good as I remember them like back like a few years ago. So I haven't been for 3 years. So the last time we went was in 2019, and we normally go every single year to like the same area. And it was just so interesting to see like how much things have changed. Like normally we go to a spot called KITTERY, Maine, and that's where like a lot of the outlet stores are, and normally like they would be packed of people, and there would be like traffic going in and traffic going out. There'd be a lot of Canadians there as well, and this time like you could find parking in front of every store. There was no traffic. Like it was insane. Like it was so different than what I remember it being. Target wasn't as good as I remember it being, so I did do pretty well there, but like it wasn't as good as I remember. But one thing that was really good was Walmart, so I was really happy about that. But overall, it was a great trip, and it was just fun just like spend time with my family, and food was like incredible. We went to a lot of different like chain restaurants that we don't have here in Canada. We went to so we drove down on a Thursday, and we didn't eat, but we ate in the morning, and we went to DENNY'S, which was just fair. It wasn't the best. And then we drove down to New Hampshire, Maine, or New Hampshire. We went down to Portsmouth, New Hampshire, I think it's called, Portsmouth. Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and then we went to like a bunch of different stores. We did Walmart, we did TJ Maxx, HomeSense, Home Goods, all those places. And then for lunch down there, we did Chipotle, and it was so good. It was amazing. It was my first time eating there, and it was so, so good. And then for dinner that night, we drove up to Kittery and then to Bedford, Maine, and we had Longhorn Steakhouse, and it was delicious. It was so good. And then the next day we woke up and we just had like breakfast at the hotel. I just had like Chobani yogurt because it was the only thing that I liked there. And for lunch that day, we went to Chick-fil-A. For dinner that night, we had Chili's, which is absolutely my favorite. And then the next day, Sunday, we woke up and we had Chili's again for breakfast. We just made breakfast tacos with all of our leftover stuff from the night before's dinner, and it was awesome. So today, I'm just going to spend a few hours and clean. So I'm just gonna like clean my office. I'll show you what it looks like. It is like really bad. So it was clean before I left, and now it's not because all the stuff from my trip, and I have to do laundry anyway. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna like take the tags off things and then like put it in the laundry so I can start wearing my clothing. I didn't get a ton of clothing, to be honest, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so I can't even get my chair into my door because here are all the things from my trip. So a lot of it's just like new things that I bought. So I'm gonna have to find a place for a lot of these items. A lot of it's just like homeware condo stuff. Okay, so I just finished doing my hauls, filming them, so I'm just gonna put some stuff away here, like shoes, and then like some of my stuff that I had cleaned. So I'm doing tons of laundry right now, just trying to get ahead for the week and put some things away just so my office can be like so clean for whenever I start work again tomorrow. I love like when I do these little reset videos when my space is just super clean, just so I can like feel my best before I go into the week, just so everything's like top notch and just super clean. Okay, so I just went through my closet, just kind of taking out a few things that I just want to donate. So I'm going to donate this dress that I got way back in university. I have this black dress that just doesn't fit me, so I'm going to donate that. I have this red top, which just like is just not my style, so I'm going to donate that. And then I have this pink one that I wore in a few YouTube videos actually, but it's just too tight in the chest area. And then I have this dress from Shein that I just like never wear, so, and it's kind of like a tenty kind of material, so I'm going to put this in the bag for donation right here that I did not take back before I left on my trip, but I'm gonna put this in here now, and I'm actually gonna drive it over like right now just because I just want it gone. I want it out of my space, and my closet looks so much better. So I just went through and I like organized things by like color and by like type of item, so it just looks so much better. So I'm very happy with that, and I am just like doing last minute kind of tidying and just trying to find a space for all the stuff that I bought while I was away, just so things just are more organized for when I start work tomorrow. Just trying to find a space for everything, so everything has a space. But yeah, my office is feeling so much better. Everything is super clean. My battery is blinking, so I'm gonna charge it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's like kind of like vacation reset. Yeah, it was a good one. I got my chiropractor adjustment. I put all my stuff and I organized everything, put things away. Everything now has a space. I put my new pillows that are gonna be on my couch on the bed in my office, and just everything is just kind of coming together. But thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!